Happy feeding time! Alright, that's our Tommy Chevy Gray, 2 times winner, Derby winner. Alright. So may, ano kami? Limp Bizkit line, yung babaeng yan, white-legged. Yung puti yan, pang kalaha yan. McRae, that black McRae. We also have Bullocks. Alright. Bullocks. That lemon. That's lemon. Lemon lines. Alright. That's the 5K Gilmore. I no. Tornado. That's the 5K Moonwalker crosses. Ano pa? Ano pang dito? Oy, McRae. Ganda na McRae, oh. Where's the Johnny Bishop? Wait, ito pala. Johnny Bishop line. Alright. Oops, the Popeye Gray. That's our Popeye Gray. Siya po lahat ang kumakasta nito. Siya yung pinaka kompleto ng away sa fighting style. Taas, baba, cutting. Andyan sa kanya lahat. Sana magtagumpay.